So now that you know the different types of digital products, it is actually time to dive deeper into the theory of offer creation and how these products intertwine and collaborate, if you will, with each other to increase the lifetime value of every single one of your customers. So I would like to welcome you to this lesson right here, in which we're going to be talking about the theory of offer creation, how to actually design and strategically deploy your products that work together to build a scalable business. Now, again, great businesses aren't built on random products. We talked about the value ladder, are your lead magnet, your low ticket product, your mid ticket product, and your high ticket product, and how these products need to work together to again increase the lifetime value of your customers and make the most out of your digital product business. Again, small parenthesis here, you absolutely do not need to have 4 different products and 4 different offers in order to start your digital product business. That being said, it would be good if you want to make the most out of this course right here to actually follow this guide along. And again, great businesses are built on strategic, interconnected offers. And the keyword here is the word interconnected. You want each and every single one of your offers to lead to the next one up until your high ticket offer, which will completely eradicate all of the problems of your target avatar. So in this lesson, you learn how to actually design offers that work in harmony and turn your business into an ecosystem rather than just a collection of different offers. So let's start with the basics. What actually is an offer? Because we discussed about what value is, but what is actually an offer? An offer is not a product. A product and an offer are 2 completely different things. An offer is a combination of the product, the problem that this product solves, the transformation that this product provides, the positioning, the price, and the promise around this product. And of course, the product, its problem, its transformation, its positioning, price, and promise really depend on your target avatar, the person that you're targeting. And who you're targeting really depends on what you have to offer and what your passions are, which we covered in previous lessons of this course. That's why it's super important for you to know exactly who you're targeting in order for this whole ecosystem here and the deployment of this ecosystem to work. So again, an offer is a combination of the product, the problem that it solves, the transformation it provides, the positioning, price, and promise. All right. Now, let's talk about the offer stack. You have been introduced to this concept in the previous lesson of this course. The offer stack, or the offer ladder, starts with its base, which is usually a free valuable PDF, such as like a lead magnet. And the aim of the base is to collect the email and the contact information of your ideal customer. Then we move to the low part of the offer stack, which is your entry level win, your low ticket product. Then your mid ticket product, which is your flagship transformation, where most of the money of your business will be made. And then we have on the top of our offer stack our high ticket offer, which promises and delivers deep support and deep transformation. Each offer builds on the one before it like stepping stones. That's how I want you to imagine your offers. And it's very good in this point of the course to have a piece of paper down and actually think of the harmony between your offers and how your customers will transition from your low ticket offer to your mid ticket offer and to your high ticket offer. It's super important for you to actually take some time to think about this, because guess what? The creation of a digital product isn't the hard part. The hard part is strategically applying all of these concepts that we discuss here to your business to have an entire ecosystem built rather than, again, a simple collection of offers. Now, what is the rule, the golden rule, if you will, of offer creation? Every single offer must do one of these 2 things. First of all, solve a real problem that exists and causes pain to your target avatar. You need to solve this problem and then help the customer take the next step up on your value ladder. Because guess what? When a problem is solved, right, then a new problem arises most of the times. Let's put this into context. Let's say that you are serving beginner content creators and they have no idea like how to approach content creation. And what's the first problem that they might have? They don't know what to create content about. Well, let's say that you solve this problem and now they know what content they want to create, right? What's the next problem, right? A next problem arises then. And this next problem is that, for example, they don't know how to script the content. So did you see that we just solved one problem and now a new problem rised? That's exactly what happens with offers. And at the end of the day, all of the problems will be completely eradicated on our high ticket offer. All right. So again, every offer must do one of two things: solve a real problem and help the customer take the next step. Because when you solve a real problem, usually a new problem arises. And the best offers do both. They lead into each other naturally with a flow. The more natural the flow between the offers, the more money you will make from each and every single customer of yours, the bigger lifetime value you will have from your customers. So, how do offers actually dance together? Your lead magnet earns attention, or if you will, your, let's say, funnel, the way that you gain attention online. This could be short form content, long form content, this could be ads, it could be an email list, right? Brings attention and funnels attention to your lead magnet. And your lead magnet earns trust that it's converted into these potential customers of yours, these leads giving you their name and their email. So after that, after this lead magnet, your low ticket offer starts building trust, and trust in a monetary way. Because in your low ticket offer, we don't really care about the $7 or the $10 or the $15 that your low ticket offer will be selling for. What we care about is that people took their card out and they paid, right? And now they are testing your product. And if your low ticket product delivers, then they will move to your mid ticket offer. And your mid ticket offer delivers results. This is where they see results. Because in your mid ticket offer, you give them all of the information, you give them all of the information that has the opportunity to completely transform their lives, and it's up to them to apply it, right? And many people apply this and they see results. And if they see results, sometimes they want more results and faster results. And this is where you move them to your high ticket offer, which accelerates this transformative process. So each one serves a different stage of the customer journey. And what I want you to do in this point of this course is I want you to map out your lead magnet, your low ticket offer, your mid ticket offer, and your high ticket offer, which would be the awesome, let's say, value stack in your case. Write it down on a piece of paper. So what is the journey of a buyer? Again, everything starts from awareness. And awareness is pretty much done and achieved through free content online. We produce content and we drive awareness to ourselves, our brand, and our offers, and then to our lead magnet. Then interest with our low ticket win, desire with our mid ticket solution, commitment with our high ticket help, and loyalty with, again, lifetime value, referrals, and community access. If you want to take things to the next level, this is a bit more advanced online business strategies. But what we're going to be focusing on in this course is awareness, interest, desire, and commitment, which can be achieved with a lead magnet, a low ticket offer, a mid ticket offer, and a high ticket offer. And this is how your business becomes a story that your customers live through. And guess what? They will be happy to pay you from your low ticket offer to your mid ticket offer, and from mid ticket offer to your high ticket offer. People would want to pay you, to the fact that whenever you had an offer on the table, they would be happy to buy, because you have a proven track record of delivering if your offers are positioned correctly. Offer harmony equals with business scalability. Exactly that. When offers work together, you don't need to constantly be launching new products. You will have an evergreen system into place. You increase your average order value or your customer lifetime value. You deepen customer relationships, meaning that even if you have, let's say, 10 or 20 or 50 loyal customers, you can have a legit online business going on. You reduce refund rates and increase your referrals, and you pretty much simplify marketing because each offer points to the next. So you automate this whole process by having this ecosystem into place. It's as simple as that and as beautiful as that. It's really designing a business and designing an ecosystem, because at the end of the day, what is a business? A business is a series of different gears that we set, and in this case, we set these different gears to create a system in an online world, right? That you spend time and energy to set up once, but once everything is into place, it automatically turns, let's say, 1 unit of time and 1 unit of energy from your end to income, to revenue. And this is exactly what we're designing right now with our digital products. So let's now set a real world ecosystem example of a course creation business. Let's say that I help people create, launch, and scale courses online, and I have again, course launching business. This is what my offer ecosystem would look like. I will start with a lead magnet, which again promises an instantaneous, fast, and easy win. And this could be the course topic generator. And from my free content out there, if I was producing content to drive traffic to my lead magnet, right, I would promise the course topic generator. This would be a completely free PDF that people could get access with if they give their name and their email, just like that. And when people download the course topic generator, which is super easy to create as a digital product, they now know exactly the topic of their course. So I solved one of their problems, which is like, what's the topic of my course? And now a new problem arises, which is, okay, cool, now I know the topic. How do I plan my course out? And this is where I could sell them and smoothly upsell them to my low ticket offer, which would be the 30-page course planning workbook. And this would cost anywhere from, let's say, 10 to 20 bucks. And with 20 bucks, they have the 30-page course planning workbook, a fully functional workbook that elaborates on every single step of the process of planning your course, right? So now, again, the first problem was solved, which is like, what's the topic of my course? And now it's time to solve the second big problem, which is how to plan my course. Right? So now they've spent all of this time and energy fulfilling their low ticket offer, and they have their course planned for 20 bucks, right? So now a new problem arises, which is, okay, cool, how do I actually produce a course, right? And they have so many different like sub levels of this problem. Like, how do I shoot a course? How do I edit a course? Where do I host a course? How do I market a course? And all of this can be solved inside our mid-ticket offer, which is the most valuable offer of our digital product business. And this is the course, let's say, creation masterclass. This is a video type of digital product, and this would sell for 297 bucks. So let's say for 300 bucks, you would give them recorded, right, on a video format, all of the information that they would need in order to create a course, which is exactly what they wanted in the first place. But we've proven to them that we are the best, let's say, experts in this field, and we've gained their trust due to the fact that our low ticket product delivered and our lead magnet delivered and our content was awesome. So everything before our mid ticket offer was awesome, and this is why they trust us, and this is why they would enroll in the course creation masterclass. Now, people that have enrolled, let's say, in our course creation masterclass on our mid-ticket product would have and would gain access to all of the information on how to create a course. And many of them would apply this information and actually see the transformation. They would have a course. They would become course creators. And a small percentage of these people would actually want to work with us to help them apply this information faster or create better courses. Or they would want to hire our team or outsource part of the course creation process to our team. And this is where our high ticket offer would come into play, right? And our high ticket offer would be a done with you launch program. And this we could charge anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 if we're not targeting expert. So with just one story and one passion, let's say that my passion is launching a course business, you can see how we created this ecosystem of different offers, from our lead magnet to our low ticket offer, the 30-page course planning workbook, to our mid-ticket offer, the course creation masterclass, and finally our high-ticket offer, the done with you launch program. How cool is that? And guess what is the lifetime value of our customer? 2.5K plus 300 plus 20. That's like almost, let's say, $2.9 thousand dollars, which is awesome. Like, this is cool. This is so cool. Let's say that you only had your mid-ticket offer. This would be $300, but now it's $2.9 thousand, which is awesome. So again, the offer theory in one sentence, and the one sentence that I want you to remember is that a great offer solves one problem and sets up the next, right? Think chess, not checkers. Every offer has a purpose, right? And a place on the board. So the key takeaway of this lesson right here is that your business is not a product, it's a path, right? It's not a collection of offers. It is a sequence of offers. You map out the journey your customer takes, you build offers that match their level and their needs, and you let each offer guide them to the next. Because harmony equals scale, retention, and simplicity. And I think that up until this point of this course, we have analyzed every single thing that you need to understand around offer creation, product creation, digital products, the type of digital products, what is online business, and how AI can help us in this whole process of online business. And now it's actually time to go ahead and create our digital products. Now, I have a huge content creation masterclass on how to create videos and how to pack videos in digital products. I have a huge graphic design masterclass on how to actually create content with graphic design, like PDFs and stuff. And I'm not going to give you like 20 hours of content in this course right here, because this would be super boring. that being said, in the next lessons of this course, I'm going to reveal all of the tools that I use and I have been using to create my digital products. And we're going to start with PDF files. So at the next lesson of this course, I'm going to show you exactly the software that I use to create my PDF digital products. And then we're going to get it, and then we're going to move from there onwards. So I'm super excited to actually start producing digital products with you. I'm going to see you in the next session of this course.